My name is Pratiksha Mane and I am a student of MCA First Division B at Vishwakarma University, Pune. Now I am going to discuss about the dictionaries in Python. Let's see what is introduction to dictionaries. In Python, a dictionary is a built-in data structure that allows you to store and manage data using key values pairs. In dictionaries are unordered and mutable. That means they can be changed, and the mainly there are duplicates keys are not allowed. In real world analogs, we can see here phones, books, and configuration system. These are the real world examples of dictionaries in Python. Next, understanding keys in Python. The keys are unique identifiers in dictionary. There are key characteristics. Keys are unique and immutable data like string, numbers, or tuples. For example, name alias age 30, 1, 2 coordinates. Accessing the values, it retrieves values via key like dictionary in bracket keys. After that, we can see here exploring the values. Values can be any data type like strings, number, list, and more. Values can be duplicated. That means they can be duplicated across the keys. For example, name, alias, city, New York. After that, we can see here there are some methods in dictionaries which are as follows. Dictionaries, the item methods returns a key values tuples in which gives a view object of all keys values pairs in a dictionary. Next, live view, it reflects the dictionary's changes dynamically. Then iteration use, commonly used to loop through keys values efficient. Next, get method, in which it safe in this method, it provides a safe access to dictionary values. It prevents key error by returning a default value if the key is missing. We can see here, for example, dictionary.get in bracket city unknown. It returns unknown if city is absent. The next method is the next method is keys and values, in which we can see here in keys it returns a live view object of a dictionary keys and which is used to check if a key exists. In values we can see here returns a live view object of dictionaries values and which is useful for analyzing stored data. Both are helpful for checking contents and analyzing the data. Then next, updates and pop methods. In update dictionary to it adds or overrides keys from another dictionaries. That means it merges another dictionary for overwriting existing keys. Then next, the pop like keys and default, in which it removes a key and returns its value, uses a default if key is missing. For example, dictionary update like age 31 and dictionary pop city, that is none. The summary of the and best practices of the dictionaries is it uses dictionaries for storing unique keys with the flexible values, and it uses get to safely retrieve values, familiarize the methods like items, keys, values, updates, and pop. It's all about the dictionaries in Python. Thank you.